Snapchat becomes the most recent business to jump on the chatbot bandwagon. On Monday, Snapchat announced the debut of My AI, its own creative AI chatbot. My AI will be driven by the most recent GPT technology from OpenAI, the same technology that underpins ChatGPT. My AI, which Snapchat refers to as an experimental feature, will begin to be made available to Snapchat Plus members this week. Snapchat announced in a blog post that My AI can offer planning assistance for various tasks, like suggesting a meal to try for supper. If you're feeling very poetic, it can also create a haiku. My AI was trained to have a unique tone and personality that plays into Snapchat's core values around friendship, learning, and fun, a Snapchat spokesperson said in an email to CNET. It has been trained to adhere to our trust and safety guidelines. Snapchat notes that My AI, as with all AI-powered chatbots, can be programmed to say almost anything. The business appears to be making reference to the tangle that Microsoft's Bing, which was upgraded with OpenAI's GPT-4 model, caused. Many began sharing bizarre and unsettling replies they had received first from search engine a week after it had launched, and Microsoft later acknowledged that Bing may be triggered to reply differently from its design tone. By stating that My AI has many faults, Snapchat seems to be moving ahead of solving an issue similar to this with its own chatbot. Even further, Snapchat apologized in advance to the users of the latest chatbot. The My AI chatbot, which will be accessible inside the Snapchat app, is said to be a fast mobile-friendly version of ChatGPT. The version which is going to be put into operation, however, will only be available to provide a limited range of responses. According to the article, Snap's employees have instructed My AI to follow the company's trust and safety policies. Hence, this chatbot won't provide replies that could contain profanity, violence, sexual material, or viewpoints on controversial topics. My AI is currently accessible as a testing feature for Snapchat Plus users, the $3.99 per month subscription service from the networking site. What distinguishes My AI from ChatGPT? My AI won't be able to create academic articles on many subjects, unlike the original ChatGPT. As more people use its chatbot and report improper responses, Snap plans to continue fine-tuning it. The article also notes that unlike the original ChatGPT, the Snapchat chatbot doesn't really offer any advice or guidelines for conversations. According to this video, Snapchat's chatbot treats generative AI more like a persona in contrast to the original ChatGPT, which functions more like a productivity tool. While My AI is supposed to be another Snapchat buddy for users, its profile page likewise resembles that of other Snapchat users. At the end, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thanks for watching.